Hi, my name is Jolene. I'm an assistant and cat advocate at Veterinary Hospital, and today we're going to talk to you about what it means to be a cat-friendly hospital. Our hospital was certified as a cat-friendly practice by the American Association of Feline Practitioners in 2013. We do special training to make sure that our assistants are well versed in handling the animals, as well as our technicians, and our receptionists also know how to help make your appointment go great. Well, we have another video to talk about how to prepare your cat for an exam and get them in the carrier. Our part starts at the hospital. When you arrive, when we're not in COVID times, we would direct you to our cat-only waiting room. There, we don't have things like dogs, which can cause visual, auditory, and smell that can cause stress. So only having the cat smells, we can have things like feel-away towels over their carriers, and that can help make a more calming environment. It can block out the sights of dogs and the sights of other cats too. And we also do recommend keeping your cat on a higher surface to help them feel a little bit more comfortable. Once we are in the room, we do have a cat-only room. That room actually has a feel-away diffuser in it running at all times. Feel-away is a special pheromone, and it's a synthetic version of the facial pheromone that cats give off, and it's kind of like a happy feel when they smell it. So it can help calm our more stressed cats. And then in addition to the feel-away diffuser, we also spray pheromones on our towels as well. So when they come out of their cage, they'll be on that nice towel, and they can just kind of hang out and feel a little bit more at home than being on that cold table. You'll note when we take the cat out of the carrier, we don't yank them out. We try not to pull on them. If you do have a carrier that opens from the top, that's great. We can pull the carrier apart and prevent that yanking of the limbs that you'll see sometimes, or dumping them out. And of course, if we can entice them to get out on their own, that's great. Some kitties that are a little bit more confident will be enticed with treats, and we have temptations in the room and some baby food on hand, and that can help make the appointment go great. You'll note that our assistants try to be prepared ahead of time to make this appointment kind of streamlined, to get things done as soon as possible. Cats have a limited number of minutes for us to handle them normally, so we try to make sure that we handle them as little as possible and kind of do things on their terms. You know, if they want to sit on the scale and hang out there for a little bit, we can help them do that to relax. If your cat is hospitalized, we do have a cat ward. If they are a non-critical patient, they can go in our cat ward instead of the ICU. We do prefer the cat ward because we do, again, have the feel-away diffusers and the feel-away towels, and it also has the added advantage of not having any dogs, so no sights, no smells, no sounds of those dogs, and that can help keep them a little bit more calm. We also have some containers that we can help keep them a little bit more sheltered from the outside environment. They like to hide in things, and it helps them make them feel more safe. And of course, while they're here, as long as they're not here for urinary problems, they will get a fresh litter box, fresh water, to keep them more comfortable while they're here as well. If you have any questions, you can certainly give us a call, and we'd be happy to talk more about cats and see you for an appointment. Thank you. Bye-bye.